Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I will be talking about all the best features of the Tecno Phantom 9. By the way guys, I've already made a dedicated video for the tips and tricks section where I've talked about all the features offered by this phone and some important tips and tricks, so definitely check that out, link will be in the description. Now with that said, the first and the most unique thing about this phone would be that 111 promise. So unlike any other brand out there, Tecno offers 111 promise, that's one-time free screen replacement, 100 days replacement, and it also offers 1 month extended warranty. Now all these things are something that no other company offers, at least for free in India. Now the next best thing about this phone would be that in-display fingerprint scanner. Other than Oppo K1, only this phone has an in-display fingerprint scanner under 15,000 rupees. Now the fingerprint scanner itself is not super fast, but considering the price and considering it as the latest tech, it's pretty cool to have it on a phone. It's not super fast like the OnePlus 7 Pro, but it is still pretty decent and pretty fast and usable. Now the next best feature on this phone, and personally my favorite thing about this phone, would be that 6.4-inch AMOLED display. This phone sports a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, with 19.5:9 aspect ratio, 600 nits of brightness, and finally it even has a dot notch. It has pretty slim bezels all around, giving it 91.47% screen to body ratio. So the display on this phone is pretty cool, and as an AMOLED panel, it is just awesome. Now the next best thing on this phone would be the rear cameras. This phone sports a triple camera setup on the rear with a 16 megapixel primary camera with f1.85 aperture, a 2 megapixel secondary camera for depth sensing, that's to take portrait shots, and finally an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, which actually gives you two features. You can either take wide angle shots or macro shots. So far this is the only phone that comes with a dedicated mode for taking macro shots, and that's pretty cool as well. Now these are some sample shots. Now the next best thing on this phone would definitely be the front-facing camera. This phone sports a 32 megapixel front-facing camera with 1.6 micron pixel size, which uses the pixel binning technology, and this is probably the only phone that still comes with dual LED flash on the front with that dot notch, which looks pretty cool by the way. And finally, this front camera has 79.4 degree wide angle view, so that's pretty wide for a front camera. Now the next best thing on this phone would be the entire operating system itself. This phone is running a custom skin version of Android called iOS 5.0 based on Android 9.0, that's Android Pie. It is very well optimized and it is pretty responsive. That's like a specialty of Tecno phones. Going on next, this phone also comes with a pretty fast face unlock feature. In good lighting conditions, it is pretty fast, still not as fast as Oppo and Vivo phones, but still pretty fast and pretty usable. And even in low lighting conditions, it is pretty fast. So guys, these are the best features of the Tecno Phantom 9. If I missed out on anything important, do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you like this video, hit that like button and share it with your friends, and if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description, it always helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off, have a nice day.